Hi guys, here we've got Realme GT Neo 3, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So at first, just open your Play Store, then click on your account icon and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Go to Updates Available, and here you've got all applications that can be updated, and you can either update one particular app by tapping on Update right next to its icon, or let me just tap it, or you can update all apps at once by tapping on Update All. And then it will be done. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, and then just check Play Store to see the progress. So this is it. That will be all. So apps can be updated. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.